everyone, it's Bob and Fran, and we want to share with you today a list of some of the things that we have been doing over the years to stay young in body, mind, and spirit. People have asked us to share this list, and so we'll present some of the things that we do on a daily basis.
So you want to go first,
Sure.
or should I go first?
I go
Ladies
first.
first.
Okay, one of the things that we do every day is have a Himalayan salt lamp on in our bedroom. This helps to improve the air quality and reduce allergens.
I have a tip for you. Every morning, before we eat anything, we have a glass of water, and in that glass is a freshly squeezed lemon, the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon. And it helps flush your body out, and
Also, we've been told, we've read that cancer cells can't survive in an alkaline atmosphere. And even though lemon sounds very acidic, it does make you alkaline.
yeah, so we have a glass of sort of room temperature, and it's helped us. We've been doing that for, gosh, decades probably.
Yeah.
Decades? Yeah.
Another thing that we like to do is when we go shopping at a mall, park as far away from the entrance as possible. Now this may sound silly, but what you're actually doing is getting an extra bit of exercise in on the way to and from the store.
Yeah, we do that sort of automatically. Also, you're away from all the other parkers, and it's
Yeah.
probably safer. But it does put a little extra exercise in our daily routine.
Yeah. Another thing that we have found to be very helpful is to reduce as many chemicals in our home as possible. One of the things we do is we eliminated the dryer sheets, the scented dryer sheets that take the static out of your clothes when you put them in the dryer. And we bought, it's called a wool dryer ball. And we throw this into the dryer, and no chemicals, and it's just safer and healthier.
Works too.
Yep.
What is it? Take the static
Yep.
electricity
Yeah,
out? Yeah,
right.
it's pretty good. So I want to just talk to you about soft drinks. People ask us, well, do you drink soft drinks? Do you drink anything out of a can or a bottle? And the answer is pretty much no. So we just don't think they're very healthy. If it, even if it says no sugar, you're getting those chemicals in every sip that you take. So we don't do it.
Can't remember the last time I had
It's
one.
been a long time for me too.
We also like the expression NBD,
What does that mean, Fran?
no big deal.
So we say NBD if something happens, and we have maybe a tendency to say, oh my gosh, or something like that. It's NBD. It's not a big deal. And really, nothing is that big a deal.